All right, Bafetu, Naturena is buzzing. Naturena is buzzing. The internet is breaking. Kaiser Chiefs making that massive signing today. Adolf Mtasingwa, not to Adolf Hitler, Kaiser Chiefs. Breaking news, Kaiser Chiefs signing Adolf Mtasingwa. But guys, that's not the reason why I'm here. The reason why I'm here is that Kaiser Chiefs are going to announce a striker, another striker this week. They're signing Yaga Fernando da Cruz. Both of these signings, including Umtasingwa from Tanzania, the Ama signing Waga Fernando da Cruz. If you haven't seen Umtasingwa in action, let us have a quick clip, have a look at what kind of a midfielder he is. Okay, right, Buffet. To remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. Yeah, Adolf Mtasingwa breaking the internet. Naturena is a buzz tonight because of that signing. Yaga Adolf Mtasingwa, 27-year-old defensive midfielder. I see they are comparing him to Paul Pogba, his coach at the national team. Is comparing him to Paul Pogba. I'm not a fan of comparing players, but yeah, we know that is the nature of football. Certain players who play in the same positions are always compared to each other. yeah, but just to ngoba ngwafundile ama-comments laphayana bamcompara no-Pogba, that is why I thought I should get a video and let you judge for yourself. So let's comment, let's talk about it on the comment section below. Adolf Mtasingwa, he is a defensive midfielder. Yeah, I see some of your comments. Some of you guys are saying, "Oh, Lebohang Maboe will finally be free to play his normal game." So yeah, that is Adolf Mtasingwa. The big question is how quickly is he going to adapt to the PSL? Upanse, I thought I knew that defensive midfielder was going to be announced ever since Cele Kaizer Chiefs trying to negotiate a settlement. However, the player has been given a free license to look for another team. So Thabo Cele's agent is looking for another team for him in Europe. So yeah, uCele mabangamtholeli i-team, he is looking to continue with his contract laphayana Kaizer Chiefs. He is not willing to settle. That is uCele. He is willing to stay and fight for his place. So yeah, so kuzoba umthethwa kube uCele kube uMtasingwa. That is if Cele does not find a team, and if he doesn't uh, agree to i-settlement ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ihlukane naye. Right, Mtasingwa, he is still in his prime. Buffett is 27 years old, Tanzanian international. He played in countries like Scandinavia, go Norway, go Iceland. Country Vikings. We saw Norway doing well in the World Cup. So the competition and the standard of football is quite high. Judging by you saw Norway going high. Also, Norway, they have some very good players playing in the best leagues in the world. So yeah, not to say that or to reduce their leagues to say they are low. No, they are of a higher standard. We saw Ulo Kuzana, Da Silva, they picked him up from, I forgot that country where he was playing, but he was able to adapt to the PSL, becoming the leading goal scorer at Kaizer Chiefs. And this season being his second season, I think he will get better. And as long as they get quality in terms of Lapayani Siswini, because he thrives on service. We saw Usirino, he used to thrive Magudlala Usirino because Sirino used to supply Lokuzana, Da Silva. Let's hope Ethan Chislett will play that role Serino quite well and provide assist. And also Lokuzana, since signing Yagam Tasingwa, let's hope ukuthi Umabowe will be given room to attack Simbonile Lapayana against him. Ulche, he won the ball higher up in midfield. He was able to drive through and create that goal. And even at Mamelodi Sundowns under the tutelage of Pitso Mosimane, he used to play as a false nine. He used to play that number 10 false nine. He used to alternate between those roles. And I remembered one season he scored 9 goals. That is Ulebohang Maboe. So he is an attacking midfielder by nature. So yeah, guys, let us hope Mtasingwa is going to help or assist Maboe to thrive more in his game, because we saw that he was the best midfielder at Kaizer Chiefs last season. So yeah, guys, let us break the news. Kaizer Chiefs they are replacing certain players. I've already told you about the players that have left. Abu Matlou, Abu Mtuare, Abu McCarthy, Abu Marco K is injured. And yeah, these are the players that have come in, Olina, Moloisane, and yeah, and Umabasa Bafetu. I'm assuming there is the rumors saying that he's coming to Kaizer Chiefs. It looks like he's not, because he is a free agent, and yeah, if he was supposed to be announced with Mtasingwa, but yeah, Bonilo Mtasingwa, he was announced or unveiled alone. No Mabasa in that one, despite Mabasa being a free agent. So in Dabayaga Mabasa, it looks like it's going down the drain. And in Dabayaga Lokuzana, everybody was hoping that Fiston Maele, since it's announced that he's leaving Pyramids, Kaizer Chiefs would quickly snap him up. But it looks like a pipe dream indaba yaka-Fiston Mayele. Week by week, mindlula, it looks like a pipe dream, but let's hope they can still pull off that coup, because that would be a dream signing. He is a proven goal scorer. Probably the lithiest, or if in top 3 lithiest strikers on the continent right now. That is Fiston Mayele. But yeah, can they afford his salary? That is Kaizer Chiefs. He will have to play for a reduced salary if Mayele uza Kaizer Chiefs. That is a definite fact. They missed out on signing him. He did come to Naturena at one stage, but Kaizer Chiefs failed to sign him. That is before he went to Egypt. Yeah, so Kaizer Chiefs missing out on a very good striker. Yeah, that is the decisions by management. Very questionable decisions by Gelabo Fiston Mayele. But yeah, it happens in football. Some players, they do slip through the fingers of the club. But guys, the striker I wanted to tell you about, that is Gaston Dala. Fernando da Cruz is identified Gaston Dala as a potential striker for him for the 2026-2027 season. That is Gelson Dala. I think he plays for Angola, for the Angolan national team. He wears a number 10 in the national team. He played for Wakra in Qatar, and that is the striker that I wanted to tell you about. Hopefully, they'll be making that announcement soon. That is a striker that Fernando da Cruz wants. And also another striker that was identified by Fernando da Cruz, that is Bruninho from Brazil. So we are waiting with bated breath for that striker announcement to follow, following the signing of Mtasingwa from Azam. That is all I have for you guys today. Let me leave you with this, the highlights of this player. Enjoy.